What is going on, guys? Welcome to Greggles TV Daily. Let's get into the news. We only have one story today, but it is interesting and it is something I think a lot of people are going to want in the next Galaxy phone. This tweet comes from Marquise Brownlee, aka MKBHD. He says, okay, I realize this is a Star Wars Edition Galaxy Note 10. We talked about this phone yesterday. If you didn't remember, watch that video, but Samsung's releasing a new phone for the Note 10. It's gonna be Star Wars Edition. Anyways, back to his tweet. But also, the red and black is calling my name. Please make the next one 90 hertz. Thank you, Samsung. And Ice Universe goes on to tweet to MKBHD, 90 hertz is 100%. And 120 hertz is also very likely. And I don't think his tweet, if you follow my channel and you follow tech overall, I don't think Ice Universe's tweet is really super surprising, but Ice Universe is right a lot of the times with his leaks. So you're looking at Galaxy S11 almost definitely having 90 hertz display, meaning it's gonna have that ultra smooth scrolling on the display for gaming and for just scrolling the web and using apps and everything like that. And it should make the experience just more fluid and much more, fast feeling overall. 120 hertz is obviously just going to increase that. So I'm excited about it. I mean, I really hope that 120 will be amazing. I mean, and at the same time though, I'll be honest with you, when I use my Pixel phone and then I jump over to another phone, have it be a Galaxy phone or an iPhone or some other phone, I can notice somewhat of a difference, but it's not as mind-boggling as, I don't know, maybe like when you record a 60, at least for me anyway, when I'm recording like a 60 frame per second video versus like a 30 frame per second one, I don't notice as much a difference like that, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Do you need to see a 90 or 120 hertz display in the next Galaxy S11 or whatever phone they release next year? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys down the road. Peace.